Imagine if the most stressful parts of solo RV travel, storms, breakdowns, creepy knocks at the door, were already handled before they ever happened. Would you feel calmer heading out? Stay with me, because I'll give you the timing rule near the end. It quickly ends long days safely. It makes your evenings feel peaceful instead of frantic. If you had to stop on the shoulder right now, would you know the steps? Pull as far right as possible. Turn your wheels away from traffic. Switch hazards on, and place reflective triangles about 10 feet, 100 feet, and 200 to 300 feet behind you, adjusting for curves and hills. Call for help from inside the locked rig. Exit only on the non-traffic side and only if it's safe. Storms move faster than plans. Act before they arrive. Check alerts for your whole route, not just for the current spot. If wind or hail is in the forecast, move early to low, sturdy shelter and stow awnings before gusts test them. For tornado warnings or extreme winds, leave the RV and get into a hardened building when possible. Keep a doorside go bag with copies of ID, insurance, spare meds, glasses, charging cables, and a little cash and a short medical history so you can be rolling in 30 seconds without leaving essentials. How do you feel secure without relying on a firearm or breaking laws across state lines, especially as a solo traveler? Use a 3-layer personal security system. Layer 1 is deterrence. Bright motion lighting outside, shades down at night, low profile parking, and a sight with eyes on it. The goal is not worth the trouble. Layer 2 is awareness. Use a small app connected camera, pointed outward through a window or dash if park rules allow. And pair it with your door sensor so your phone buzzes before a knock. Layer 3 is response you can run under stress. Stage a loud personal alarm and a high output flashlight at the door. Consider a pepper-based spray or other less lethal tools allowed where you travel. Know your local rules, store it safely, and practice. Announce you're calling the office or 911, stay behind a locked door, and let light, noise, and distance work for you. Fewer stumbles, clear thinking, start with sleep and a clear, steady routine. If your mattress doesn't support you, replace it. Better mornings mean faster reactions. Build a simple daily cadence. Wake up at a set time, step outside for daylight, hydrate, and keep your meals simple. The more predictable your body feels, the fewer risky choices you'll make. Where do the important small things live at night? In the same place, every time? Stage a bedside trio, glasses, headlamp, phone, in a soft-edged tray so nothing rolls. If you use hearing aids, keep a spare battery or charger there too. Muscle memory is a safety tool. Reach, find, done. Could your pet's safety plan run itself while you sleep? Use a crash-tested restraint or carrier positioned away from airbags. Add a pet card to your binder with name, vet, meds, and a photo. Map 24-hour clinics along your route. If you must leave a pet in the rig briefly, create shade, ventilate, and use a temperature alert device tied to your phone or satellite messenger so heat never becomes an emergency. What is the easiest way to keep tech from running you? Keep it small and labeled. Many travelers hotspot from a phone. And if you work or stream, you might want to add Starlink. Download maps and playlists before you roll so no service never forces a bad call. Corral cords in a pouch and tag each so setup is instant and tear down is brainless. Remember that 3-word habit that lowers risk at every stop? Keep using it here. Lights, locks, location. When you pull into a rest area, a friend's driveway, or a late night campground, ask yourself, am I well lit? Can I see around me? Are my doors, bays, and tow car locked with a key where I can reach it? Is this location giving me clear sight lines and at least 2 ways out? If any answer is no, adjust before you settle in. Own your evening. Stop before the sun drops. Be parked and fully settled at least an hour before sunset. If you like structure, stretch it with a 3-3-3 approach. Around 300 miles, arrive by mid-afternoon, and stay at least 3 nights when you can. Daylight makes backing easy, hookups calm, and your first evening quiet instead of frantic. Staying longer reduces teardown, setup fatigue, and lets you learn the park before dark. If these tips help you make your solo RV journeys safer and less stressful, hit that subscribe button for more practical RV tips like these. And if you missed the earlier videos in the series, Go back and watch for more essential solo travel hacks with better lighting, grippier steps, a steadier bathroom, a smarter door, awareness that you can trust, off-grid messaging by the door, a rear camera watching your back, solid sleep and a simple daily rhythm, pet safeguards, smart tech, those three anchors, lights, locks, location, and golden hour setups. You'll travel lighter, sleep better, and wake up ready for tomorrow's view. You can find the other videos in the series over here. Safe travels and see you down the road.